are in the Tierra Mayor Forest Park in Ushuaia, Argentina. And we're on a nature trek. And it's pretty muddy sometimes. And there's a lot of little creeks, like the one we're crossing on this old wooden bridge. Yeah. I'm watching my footing. You can watch the top of my head. Or you can pan around in the picture, in the video. Remember, it's 360. Hey, a pallet bridge. So, it's the end of summer down here. It's like March 13th, which would be September 13th, where we come from. And it's about 40 degrees, maybe 45. And so most of the snow you see on those mountains is permanent, I would say, glacier. Right? And for some reason, the forest down here is like dead, but I can see forest all around us. So I don't know if we're going to actually walk through the forest eventually or not. This is mushy. Mushy. Another bridge over there, I guess. Another bridge over there.
Yeah. Sounds like a waterfall of some kind.
It does. That we aren't going to see.
Hmm?
That we aren't visiting.
No.
You want a stick?
No.
See, it's the
I do.
wooden forest.
Your bag is open.
Is it? Oh no.
The deadwood forest, I should say. And now we're getting back into the grass. No mud. Stepping stones, though. Made out of slices of a tree trunk. Yeah, I have this walking stick, a trekking pole or whatever, but not using it. I shouldn't have taken it. But now that I did, I gotta carry it. Oh, here's our guide to help us across this bridge.
People everywhere.
I know.
He seems
They
happy.
all look alike.
I know. Did you go?
Okay, I think we're gonna head into a forest. See the creeks all around? Oh, another guide. Hello.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Argentina had like 12 people.
Where?
At the Olympics.
Oh really? That's the summer or winter?
Maybe it's just cold.
Winter.
We've got a hacker up here.
Pyongyang was before Russia, right?
Yes. No, after.
So it was the last one?
Yes.
That's not North Korea, that's just Korea. Did North Korea get the Olympics?
I don't think they did.
Well,
Move over and pretend to take a picture.
so you're not alone.
Once you step off the trail, there'll be a
Alarm that goes off.
All right.
I torn my glass.
So we crossed the valley of the dead trees, and we're about to head into the forest.
The land of the unknown.
Just got to make sure all these people are in front of us.
So did I catch my glove on that I ripped?